Hello guys, my name is Logi, and today I want to tell you how I started my journey as a web developer. I hope the screen is visible. Uh, I during I knew nothing about web development, only a little bit of HTML, which I learned in school till March this year. But due to the COVID situation, when the colleges closed, I started thinking what to do in this free time. And during that time, there was a sale going on Udemy. You can see on my screen. Uh, where I was getting all the courses for 400 rupees only. So I started thinking like, should I buy it or not? After reading a lot of reviews and checking out many courses, I uh, I bought a course just to learn uh, some like uh, how can I start, how can I give myself a head start in this field. So I purchased a course that is this one, the Complete Web Developer Course 2.0 by Rob Percival sir. He's a brilliant teacher. I want to say, if you are paying for a course, I think that's worth it, because he taught us HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, PHP, SQL using Google API, Twitter API, and also making and also Open Weather API, and helped us making mobile apps from a website, like using the app.js also. And at the end we did a big project, uh, so in which we made a Twitter clone. And also Bootstrap in the midway. So it was a really good journey, and the teacher was very cooperative as well. He taught us everything he could, and during the time of learning, I noticed a thing, that it is not necessary to purchase a course if you want to learn, because not everyone can afford that. So I started noticing that the teacher himself gave examples available on W3 schools, and also gave us examples of W3 schools while teaching as well. So that is how you can start. So for starting, let me open this course. Yeah, uh, let me show you the course content. Course content. Yeah, if you can see this. Yeah, so it starts with getting started part, then HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, and also using WordPress, then PHP, and then some a little bit of MySQL, APIs, making mobile apps using app.js, and some special features of HTML5 and CSS3, and a little bit of Python, which you can use in web development. And also at the end there is this is a project. Okay, so this is also the workflow how you should start your journey. You can start by learning HTML, then moving up to the CSS, then JavaScript, and jQuery. For those who don't know what is jQuery, jQuery is a kind of framework for JavaScript, which makes lengthy JavaScript easier and smaller. That's the main use of JavaScript. And it is a mixed framework of JavaScript and CSS. So there is both styling and the use of JavaScript, and the and the commands are getting smaller. That's the use of JavaScript. That's the use of jQuery. Okay, and then Bootstrap is as you have seen our previous videos. Bootstrap is a CSS framework. Then PHP is a server-side script. MySQL is a DBMS language, and then API is application programming interface. For example, if you want to extract some data from a particular website like Twitter and Facebook, you can use their API functions. And yeah, others. Okay, so uh, in in this video, I want to tell you how you can start it on your own. Okay. Uh, for example, for firstly you are needed to download a good code editor. Yeah, for code editor, there for me I like these two most. Brackets, it is a good code editor. For example, if you want to make it simple, that then brackets for you. The another one with full loaded features and a good extension marketplace is Visual Studio Code. Is generally used by professionals because it consists of many good extensions. Yeah, okay, and that is how these are. So that's for the code editors. Okay, I will provide their link in the description box. The general purpose of making this video is that what approach you should follow, what is the workflow. You should start with the HTML, then come with to CSS, then JavaScript, then and you can learn all of them from W3 Schools. It is a really good site, believe me, you can trust them blindly. Okay, and then you can start with jQuery, which is a mixed framework of CSS and JavaScript. Then you can start with the PHP. PHP is a server-side language, so if you want to see how, like for example, if you want to display the content of a PHP page, like if you want to run it on locally on your system, for example, the HTML file can directly be opened in into the Chrome browser or some other browser, but you can't run a PHP because file, because it is a server-side language. For that you are needed to install XAMPP server. There are many other good servers in the available on the internet, but this one is really good. So I will provide its link as well. So that is how you can start your journey. Then before PHP, then you can go with Bootstrap. uh, go on their website, read the documentation. You will yourself learn, but please don't hurry. Start with HTML, then CSS and JavaScript. These are the three basics one, and if you clear the basics, you will get it. That's the approach. Okay, yeah, and yeah, this is the approach. Okay, and also if you want to, for example, with this course I got a lot of extra swags, or you can call some benefits. That is the owner, the teacher of this course, he has his own web hosting company, so he gave me a 1 year free web hosting package. So if you start on your own you will not get that. So if you want to, uh, don't worry, there are many free web hosting website like wix.com. You can go there and download, and you can go there, create account, and you will get your free web hosting service there. So yeah, and also for using PHP you need to install the latest PHP release from their website, that is php.net. Yeah, that's all. Please follow the approach and you will get it. Okay, so if you like our video, please like the video. Let us know how, what do you like and what more do you want in our future videos. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for your time.